Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to activate dark mode on ClickUp. Maybe you want to reduce eye strain and enhance readability in low light environments. So today I'm going to show you how to activate dark mode on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the streamline icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on this gear icon at the top right to open the settings page. In this page, under Theme section, you will see three options: Dark, Light, and System. Since you wanted to activate dark mode, simply tap on this dark option. After that, you now have successfully activated dark mode on ClickUp. Your ClickUp interface will instantly transform into a stylish, darker version that is easy on the eyes. There you go. If you wanted to know how to activate dark mode on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to activate dark mode on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.